Hey guys, Tiffany Frederick with Tip Tuesday. I hope you're doing well. I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Virginia, and I work with Long & Foster's Reston office. Today's tip is focused on education and getting educated about the mortgage and lending process. So it's kind of this thing we're not so sure about, but you're curious and unsure of what those rates are. We see these commercials on TV that talk about those rocket mortgages or items that come from those big box companies that are quick apps on your phone. And those are wonderful tools to get kind of that initial level of interest, and they're great to go with. However, as an agent who's been working in the business for a couple years, wanted to share with you something that I've seen as more beneficial research or information for you as the consumer. Talk to local lenders. Here's the reason why. They are well-versed and well familiar with your local state programs that'll benefit you as a first-time home buyer. They can get you that same information of getting you pre-approved, and they can tell you what programs in your communities that you actually qualify for. So those larger companies might have access to some quick reports right away. However, they're not well-versed in those things that could benefit you, as in grant money for a down payment or closing cost assistance. So these are the things that are going to matter most to your end goal and your kind of bottom line as a future home buyer. So go out, get informed. How do you do that? Talk to local lenders, interview a couple of them, make sure that they're credible, but also attend these first-time homebuyer seminars that are hosted throughout the country. I know that our local lender with the Reston office, Prosperity Home Mortgage, hosts them about every 3 months, so quarterly throughout the year. And it's an opportunity at no obligation to go and get information about the home buying process, what current interest rates are, what they're anticipating in the next couple months, how your credit score affects your eligibility for a mortgage, how to improve that credit score, what student loan debt means, all of these pieces and things that you wouldn't know about as a first-time homebuyer, that you can kind of get that baseline of education and move on from there. They also have the opportunity to go a little bit further in depth in regards to what programs you qualify for, given your state and local access. I am a huge supporter of these because my family benefited from them a little over 3 years ago. I sent my husband as a new young agent to this seminar to see if he could be my fly on the wall. Tell me, was it informative? Was it helpful? Was it, language talking over your head? What did you think? That was what I wanted to know. And he came home, we're ready to buy a house, and here's why. There's this awesome grant program that Virginia was offering at the time, and they have a revised version they're continuing to offer now, where they gave us grant money for a down payment. So we no longer had to save as much money for a down payment because they were matching and giving grant money. Grant money that does not need to get paid back. It wasn't a loan or a benefit in that sense. It was legit grant money. And they have a similar program running now. So you need to go and get informed. I attend these on a pretty regular basis just so I'm the most up to date on what's going on the financial side for mortgages with my clients. I hope that you'll take the time, you'll stop asking the questions this year, and instead just go out and get that information for yourself. The seminar that we're hosting is next Wednesday, January the 23rd from 6 to 8. There is limited space, so if you are interested, let me know and I'll get your spot reserved. But I just encourage you to take the time to really get informed this year about home buying, see what it means for you, what it could mean. I know that in our area in Virginia, most rents are right around $1,800 and $1,900 for a 1 to 2 bedroom. That's what the majority of mortgage rates are for your payment monthly if you're looking for that similar type of space. So instead of paying those landlords in 2019 into the future, or those large apartment complexes, get yourself into a place where you're paying yourself back. I hope that this was helpful. Please comment below, let me know how I'm doing, let me know what questions you have, and if you are interested in attending that first-time homebuyer seminar, message me, we'll get you in. Have a great one. Look forward to connecting soon.